So are you looking for a home for sale in Byron under $200,000? Well, we've got one right here. This is one of our listings at 255 Bayberry in Byron. This is a newly remodeled double wide on a little over half-acre lot. So let's go on inside, take a look around, and see if it's something that you want to make home. All right, guys, so this house for sale is at 255 Bayberry in Byron, Georgia. So this 2001 double wide is on its own lot, 0.63 acres, I believe. It's got a new air conditioner, new paint, new carpet, and it's ready to go. Now this house is a 4-bed, 2-bath, and it's 2,200 square feet. So it's got plenty of room. It's got one living room here at the front area, and then it's also got another living space in the back. So if you want the kids to have a separate play area, well, there you go. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed our little tour of 255 Bayberry in Byron. Now this house is for sale. It's already been listed on the MLS. So if you're interested in this home, make an offer. My information is in the description below. This house is actually available for FHA after September 9th. So if you have FHA financing, we can go ahead and do the paperwork now, and by the time we go to closing, it'll already be available. So if you have any questions about the house, reach out to me, and I'll talk to you on the next video.